years, my clients and colleagues have said to me that they just need a Rosie in their pocket. What they mean by that is reminders to bring them back to tools and resources that can help them be better in the moment, and a voice that challenges their thinking and encourages them to live their best and most fulfilled life. I always took it as a compliment and had a good chuckle about it. And after so much feedback and prompting, I have decided to bring Rosie in my pocket to life. Small doses of learning and inspiration to guide you through this journey of life. Here's the teaching and inspiration that I want to share with you today.
Let's talk about how change moves through a population. If you have ever tried to put a new idea out into the world or try to make a change within an organization or a team, you know that it's hard. And one of the things that I regularly come back to for myself, as well as the teams and leaders I support, is something that's been around a long time, and it's called the law of diffusion of innovation. So if you imagine a bell-shaped curve, right, we know that in any population, you think about things tend to move towards that bell-shaped curve. You have some people on the tail end, you have some people on the other tail end, and then you've got the majority in the middle. And the law of diffusion of innovation is about how ideas get adopted through a population. And on that front tail are your innovators and early adopters. Those are the people that are signing up that are like, yeah, they're going to be right in right off the bat. Those might be when you post something on social media, people are liking and sharing, and this is amazing. They're the first to sign up when a new product comes out, a new organizational change comes out, and they're right in there and they're your champions. But that's a very small amount. And then you've got kind of this middle that's the early and late majority that are going to take a little longer. They're like, I need to see how this goes. I need to ponder it a little bit. I'm not quite so sure. Not against it, but I'm kind of neutral. I might be skeptical a little bit. And then you get to the other tail end, and those are the laggers. Those are the negative Nellies, and they tend to be really, really loud. Those are the people that might be the internet trolls that are going to put nasty comments in something. Those are the people in the organization that are going to be full of drama. And you've got the whole spectrum. And so often we focus on those skeptics, those laggers, those negative Nellies, those haters. And we get sucked in and we think, well, how do we get to them? How do we reach the hard to reach? But that's actually the wrong approach. So we need to remember that in any initiative, there are going to be people who are going to be negative and not on board, and that's okay and expect it. We're going to have some people that are going to be rah, but don't take that as false. Everything's awesome. And we've got the middle people that are the ones that eventually we want to bring along. And how we do that is by focusing on that tail end and building momentum. It's like grassroots organizing. Don't put your energy over in the haters. Put it over with the people who will help you build energy and help bring others along. I hope that helps in the event that you are facing some of those haters. And one of my favorite quotes, in fact, by Scott Stratton is, don't try to win over the haters. You're not the jackass whisperer. In other words, never let anyone dull your sparkle. So put this one into practice. Let me know what happens. And don't try to win over those haters. You will fail every time.
I'm so grateful to be on your leadership journey with you. And even though I'm not physically in your pocket, I certainly cherish the opportunity to share my heart and learnings to help you. If this message inspired you today, I'd love to hear from you, or gift me a review on Apple Podcasts. Be well, my friends, and now go add a little sparkle to your day.